Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So Bitcoin today broke this 6-hour EMA ribbon and also broke this diagonal diagonal line, which was also a triangular pattern. As you can see, the support area is the green channel and the diagonal line together form this triangular pattern. Okay, this is bullish, but let us not be super and overly bullish. Why is that? Let me remove the line. As you can notice, we are still trading between these two channels. Okay, I've been mentioning these two channels for quite some time. And if we zoom on the 1 hourly chart, we can see a pattern. We can see a pattern when the accumulation that we're hearing a lot about will end and will eventually we have the bounce. So let's see the pattern I'm talking about. As you can see, the first time around 13th of May, we broke the EMA ribbon on the 1 hourly chart. Next in line, we broke the 4-hour EMA ribbon. And today, we broke the 6-hour EMA ribbon. What this EMA ribbon and this pattern tell us? It's telling us while the price action is moving sideways, slowly we are breaking each EMA ribbon of different time frames. So next in line, let me remove the lines. Next in line would be having the 12-hourly EMA ribbon going this rounding pattern and the price action continues. Of course, I'm like this, okay, the EMA ribbon. The price action would continue to trade sideways until we break the red channel and hold the 12-hourly or the daily would be better, as support. Then the bounce from here, it would be our great long entry to target the next 10k movement, so to target the 40k resistance area. Until then, we cannot go long. Guys, let us not be overly bullish. Yes, we are seeing accumulation. Yes, 30k is holding already, although we had a fake out here, but yes, 30k is holding. I'm not saying that is the bottom, because if we zoom to this chart, this bounce from the 30k area would only mean that we are going to retest this upper trend line of the descending channel. Okay, it would be maybe around 37, not even 40k. I was wrong mentioning the 40k, maybe 37, 35 area. Okay, so until we break this channel and hold it as support, even the white channel, which is the monthly channel, okay, we cannot go overly bullish. We can, yes, we can have a bounce till 35 and 37k area from here, okay, if we break the 12-hour EMA ribbon, as I told you, and hold the red channel, this one, as support. But that could also happen that we push to the upside to eventually go back down again. So let us keep our feet to the ground and move according to the price. So for now, I'm still trading the range. I opened a short a few moments ago. I saw this overly bought area, okay, and the red channel I know that is holding as resistance, massive resistance, so I opened a short targeting the green area. If zoom into 6 hour, you can see what I'm talking about. So that's it for now, guys. I'll keep you updated every day with new updates on this price action. And remember, let us keep our feet to the ground. See you tomorrow.